Welcome! In front of me I have IMILAB W01 smartwatch, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First, we need to open the GloryFit application on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. Once you open the application, you should see the home screen of the app. Now tap on the device icon to open the device page. Wait until your watch is done connecting with your phone, and after it's done, scroll all the way down, find the Unpair button and tap on it. Then tap on I know, tap on yes, and the watch will disappear from the device page. You can close the application. Now open the settings on your iPhone. In settings, find the option called Bluetooth. Tap on it, and here you should see the list of my devices, or a list called my devices, and on this list you should see IMI SW01. This is our watch. Tap on the info icon next to it, tap on forget this device, and tap on forget device to confirm and completely disconnect our watch from the iPhone. And that's how you unpair this watch from the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.